in partnership with Alibaba.com and CargoBoss Philippines. Today, we'll be sharing practical insights on how to source from Alibaba.com and ship your products smoothly to the Philippines. To begin our program, it is my pleasure to introduce our first speaker. She is the regional manager of the buyer growth team in Southeast Asia from Alibaba.com, Ms. Jane. For the next 30 minutes, she will introduce Alibaba.com service and share valuable insights for buyers in our region. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Jane.
Okay, thank you so much, Mai. Such pleasure to have me today. So, hello everyone again. So, might I check that if you can hear me well? So, if it's okay, please type number one to the chat box. Yeah, okay. I saw a lot of number one here. That's good. So, like Mai just introduced me. So, my name is Jane Huyn. So, I am the regional manager of Alibaba.com. I'm take care for the Southeast Asia and especially in Philippines. For a bit about the background, I have been working in e-commerce for the past 10 years across Southeast Asia and Mexico market. So my role today is to have business like you source more efficiently and grow faster on Alibaba.com. And I am very excited to co-host this session together with our great partner, GagoBoss. Today, it's all about helping Filipino SME discover reliable supplier, get better sourcing strategy, and understand how to buy safely and efficiently on Alibaba.com. So before we start, I would like to thank the CargoBoss team again for this strong partnership. So let's make this session interactive. So if you have any question or concern, feel free to drop your question in the chat box anytime, and we will answer it at the Q&A session. Okay, let's begin. So before I start, so might I ask like all of you? So today we have like around 70 participants in this webinar. So might I ask like from which platform do you know about this webinar? You know it from GagoBoss Facebook, or you from the expo, the ProPack Expo that we met last time? If you from Facebook or social media, you just type FB Facebook in the chat box. If you come from the expo, you can type expo in the chat box. So I would love to know how did you know about it? Okay, a lot of Facebook, GagoBoss Expo. Okay, that's great. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. So I will jump to the today agenda immediately. Okay, so in today agenda in my session will be three key part. Number one will be the Alibaba introduction, who we are, what we are offering in the second part, and last one will be the special offer for the buyer from CargoBoss from today's session. Yeah. So about Alibaba, so our mission is very simple but very powerful. We make it easy to do business anywhere. So this means we want to remove all the barriers that SME face when sourcing internationally. Some milestone about us. So we are founded in 1999, and in 2014, we introduced Trade Assurance, the world's first B2B third-party purchase protection system. So this become a breakthrough in helping buyers feel more secure with the international supplier. And in 2020, during the COVID, we introduced on-time delivery and virtual trade so that business could continue to source even though that time the travel was restricted. In 2014, we roll out Alibaba Guarantee. So our newest program that give the buyer clear give the buyer clearer delivery date and better protection and easier buying experience. So that is some milestone about Alibaba.com. And on Alibaba.com, we has been supporting the global trade for more than 25 years. So over that time, we have millions of business source product, connect with supplier and scale their operation. And today, Alibaba.com connect the buyer and the supplier from over 200 country and region. So it means that on Alibaba, you can connect to the supplier from any part of the world. We make sourcing easier with the support. We also support the local language. So right now we have 16 language available on our web and app. And with the Filipino language, it coming very soon. Maybe the first half of this year, we will launch the Filipino for Philippine market. Okay, look at the top selling category. So on Alibaba.com, you can find almost every type of product from daily consumer good to industrial item. For consumer product, we have strong categories like apparel, beauty, home garden, consumer electronics, sport and entertainment, packaging and printing. And for non-consumer or industrial sourcing, we also offer a wide range such as like tool and hardware, machinery, electrical equipment, vehicle part, accessories, and maintenance, repair, and operation product. So whether you are buying for retail, online reselling, production, or for your own operation, you can find reliable supply across all major industry on Alibaba.com. So, so this variety is why many SME use Alibaba.com as their main sourcing platform. Okay, so that's a quick introduction about Alibaba.com. So before we jump to the next session, I want to share my personal story, my own experience with Alibaba.com before I work for Alibaba. So I hope that you won't judge me too much. So few years ago, I think maybe after COVID, maybe I joined I actually wanted to start my own online fashion shop. And my friend keep telling me, just source on Alibaba.com. It's cheap and easy, and there is so many supplier there. So I follow the advice. I found a very good supplier. He offering woman blazer for only $3. That's amazing price, right? And they asked me to connect to chat with them on WeChat for everyday chat to follow up on the order. So they sent me the sample. The sample come perfect. So that's why I didn't hesitate to order 300 piece. And the total order will be $900. And then the moment of truth come. When the good arrive to my country, actually I based in Vietnam, so I order from China and sent to Vietnam. The quality were completely different with the sample. It's not similar, not slightly up, it's completely different. So it was the biggest pleasure disaster to my life, actually. And you know, the worst part is that it was my fault because I agreed to deal offline outside of Alibaba.com so that when I send a dispute to Alibaba, they couldn't protect me. So, but anyway, the amount is only $900. It wasn't too big, but later when after I joined Alibaba.com, I learned about all the protection tool that Alibaba is offering. So I'm keep thinking, I wish that I had known all of this earlier. So today I very excited to share with you on the tool protection and the offer that I wish someone had told me about back then. Okay, so let's go to the part two, what we offer. Okay, so when you source on Alibaba.com, Alibaba support buyer in every step of the sourcing journey. So from finding the right product, placing an order, making payment, all the way to delivery and after-sale service protection, we have the solution for any step. For product discovery, the buyer can search the product by keyword, by image, even use our new AI search. So you can request quotation from multiple suppliers, or you can choose verified supplier for higher protection. So when you order, during the ordering and payment, buyers are protected through trade assurance and Alibaba guarantee. So ensuring that safer transaction and clear delivery day. And when it comes to logistics, we on Alibaba there are two options. Either you use Alibaba.com logistics, or you can work with the trusted partner like CargoBoss, the local partner. So for Alibaba.com logistics, it is more for air freight and for the small item, because on Alibaba.com logistics we work with FedEx and UPS, and though the price is a bit expensive, but they are specialized for air freight. But if you want a low cost and local friendly, so you should work with the local partner who handle the shipment from China to Philippines. And here today we have CargoBoss. Okay. And then in the next session, we will go in the detail in its tool and the support. Yeah. So the most powerful tool we have is the search. So to start, we make sure that you find the right product, right? So I would like to invite you to watch this video about search.
Are you new to the app and wondering how can I locate the ideal product from millions of offerings of over 200,000 suppliers worldwide? Well, check out 2 ways to search for products on Alibaba.com. First, you can search by keywords. But choosing the right keyword for the product you have in mind can often be a complicated and mind-boggling process, especially if you're searching for the first time. But no worries, just like other search tools. Simply type in the relevant keywords under products and use the drop-down list with suggested trending searches to auto-complete your search query quickly and more efficiently. On the top of the result page, you can either filter for products that are customizable or ready to ship. There are also other filters, a verified supplier, and product-specific attributes that can help you refine your search results even more. Apply the verified supplier filter to see products offered by third-party verified suppliers only. Use the top keyword rankings of the product-specific attributes to get the most relevant search results. The filters icon on the top right, next to the search box, lets you specify your search even more, with options like minimum order quantity, price range, category, origin and destination of shipments, and a list of dynamic filters on product-specific attributes. And guess what? You can also search by image. Have you ever come across a picture on social media or something in real life and thought, this would make a great product for my business? Then our image search function can definitely help you from there. Just tap the camera icon in the search box where you can either snap a shot or upload an image. Our image search engine can help you quickly recognize and identify by deep diving into every variation and give you a list of the most relevant product suggestions. To get the best result, just make sure the image you upload is clear with the product placed in the center of the background. A bonus tip for comparing things like suppliers' pricing, qualifications, services during your search is using Find Similar, our new AI search tool. With just one tap on the bottom left icon and the product thumbnail image, Find Similar allows you to quickly and easily find and compare similar products and streamline your sourcing process. Search filter.
Yeah, so as you can see, buyer can search in 3 simple ways: search by keyword, search by image, just upload the picture and find a similar product instantly. And lastly, you can search by AI search. Our system will automatically show the visual show the visually similar item, and help you compare price across different suppliers. So these tools help you discover the right product faster and compare options more easily. Okay, so and another way that you, for example, if your product is complicated, you in terms of the product information or the feature or spec. So another way for you to find the supplier is request for quotation. So it's like a market for quotation. Most of the buyer, they rely heavily on search, but if like I said, your product is complicated, you can just upload your request, your product information on the quotation market, and then on the supplier, on the supplier, the qualified supplier, they are allowed to see your quotation, and they will send you the quotation accordingly. Yeah, so the reason why they have to send you the quality offer, because every day each supplier, they are limited the time that they can send the quotation. So it means that they need to be selective. They should not spam every quotation on the market. They only select the one that they qualify, their product is close, and their price is competitive to quote the price for you. Okay, and another way for the buyer is that I would recommend you, if you first time start on Alibaba, you should choose verified supplier only. So on Alibaba, on the seller, on the supplier, they must be the real business. They not individual, and we require them to have the business license to able to list and sell their product on our platform. And among the supplier, we have higher quality group is verified supplier, and all kind of supplier, they have to pay the monthly, they have to pay the annual fee. So every year they have to pay a few thousand to sell on Alibaba. But for the verified and verified pro, their manual fee, their yearly fee is 5 times higher than the normal one, because Alibaba will verify, we will send the audit company to come and audit their business about their capability. So the verified one is the one that audited by the top audit company. So if you choose the product from verified supplier, you have extra protection. Yeah, so another way to protect your transaction when you already find there's a good product, now you want to make the payment, right? So we introduce you about trade assurance, where your transaction is fully protected. So to understand how trade assurance works, so let's watch this short video.
Global trade can be highly unpredictable, especially when sourcing online. You want your purchase to be secure, delivered on time, and in the agreed upon condition. Introducing Trade Assurance on Alibaba.com, a comprehensive purchase protection program that protects you from payment to delivery, so you can source for your business with confidence every step of the way. Trade Assurance covers your order made on and only on Alibaba.com, and you get compensated if the agreed terms are not met. Ready to explore your trade assurance protections? Pay with peace of mind, knowing all payments made through Alibaba.com are encrypted, secure, and can be processed as quickly as 2 hours. Choose from a range of payment options and currency. Escrow, meaning the funds will be released to the supplier after you confirm the order has been delivered in the expected state. Manage your inventory as planned, knowing your orders are guaranteed to be delivered on time. And in the unlikely event of any inconsistencies in delivery times, product quality, or other agreed upon terms, we will help you reach a satisfactory risk-free resolution, including refunds or compensation. Be extra assured if you need additional support. We bring it home with a range of after-sales services. The Shield logo is your cue to identify a trade assurance supplier. On a product page, look for protection with trade assurance to see what's covered and negotiate with the supplier on specific terms. Keep in mind, you can only get protection with trade assurance on Alibaba.com when you keep all your communication and transaction with the supplier on the platform. Protect your online business from payment delivery with trade assurance, trusted by millions of buyers.
Yeah, so that is how trade assurance works. So trade assurance it acts like a safety seal between the buyer and supplier. So when you place a trade assurance order, your payment is held securely by Alibaba.com. We not sent to the supplier immediately yet. The supplier can only receive the money after you confirm that your goods are delivery and met on the agreement term. If something goes wrong, later, for example, late delivery, wrong product, or quality issue, you can open a dispute and Alibaba will help you to get a refund. So in short, trade assurance will protect your payment and give you confidence when you buy from overseas supplier. So yeah, this is how the trade assurance work. Like between the buyer and the supplier, Alibaba will be in the middle. We held the money from the buyer and we have a release to the supplier. Yes, until the buyer confirm that they received the product in the right time and quality. And then the buyer confirm, we release the money to the supplier. But if any dispute or quality problem, we will in the middle to help you to deal with the supplier. Okay, when it comes to the payment, Alibaba.com offer many safe and convenient options for buyer. So you can easily pay using global methods such as Visa, MasterCard, credit card, American Express, or PayPal. For the buyer in Philippines, we also support many local partners to make payment even easier. We have GCash, Maya, and DragonPay, and more. And if you prefer the bank transfer, you can use TT through Alibaba.com. So this means that you will receive an official transaction code and the bank detail directly from the platform to ensure that the payment is secure and correctly tracked. So whether you choose card, e-wallet, or bank transfer, so Alibaba.com gives you the flexible, safe, and trust payment option. Okay, so the next, let me introduce you about Alibaba Guarantee, our strongest protection program for buyer. So with Alibaba Guarantee, you get three major benefits. One, we guarantee the fixed price with the shipping include. It means that the price you see already includes shipping fee, no hidden fee. You don't need to nego or deal with the supplier. The price show is the end price. So you will know the exact total cost upfront. The second benefit is guaranteed delivery by scheduled date. So seller who join Alibaba Guarantee, they must commit to delivery on time. If they ship late or the good arrive with the issue, Alibaba will penalize the seller and compensate for the buyer. So this creates much more reliable and predictable sourcing experience. And third one, and lastly, is guarantee money back for the order issue. Money back for the order issue. So if there are any problem with quality, quantity, or delivery, you can request a refund directly through platform, and Alibaba.com will protect your money. So in short, Alibaba Guarantee give you fixed price, on-time delivery, and worry-free protection. So it's perfect for the buyer who want a safe and more predictable sourcing process. And finally, if you need the guidance Alibaba have a complete help center for buyer. So here you can learn everything, how to source, how to place order, how trade assurance work, how to handle payment, logistics, and even how to request after sales support. So whenever you are not sure about something, just search it here. It's a help center, alibaba.com and /s/buyer. Okay, now that we have learned on the tool and protection available on alibaba.com, we also want to give you some special for the one that joining the webinar with CargoBoss today. So for today, on the new buyer here, we give you a special discount voucher that you can claim today. The way you can claim it that if you have Alibaba.com app, you just type KK33 on the search bar, and then you will see a voucher, $20 off for the order above $100. And this is applied for the new buyer only. You apply for your first time order only, or you can use your phone and scan this QR code, and then you can claim your voucher to your wallet. And remember, after you claim the voucher will valid in 30 days. So make sure that after you claim in the next 30 days, let's make a payment to you to use this voucher. And we also invite you to join the community of Alibaba.com buyer in Philippines. So here we have a community and we have the Alibaba Philippine team here. So in case you need any support, just contact us over the community. And if we have any update from Alibaba that valuable for buyer in Philippines, we will share here in this community. So later, I will send you the link to claim this voucher again. Yeah, so I think that's all for my sharing So, and I'm look forward, if you have any question, feel free to put in the chat box and then we can address them in the Q&A question. So thank you very much and over to you, Mike. Hello?
Thank you very much, Miss Jane, for that insightful and very informative presentation. We truly appreciate you sharing your expertise with us today and giving our participants a clear understanding on how to maximize Alibaba.com. We're grateful for the opportunity to collaborate and learn directly from you and your team. For the next part of our session, Ms. Jessa will be taking over. She's the head of sales of CargoBus Philippines. She will walk us through CargoBus services and provide a live demonstration on how to properly place orders on Alibaba.com and arrange shipping to the Philippines, making the importing process for Filipinos simple and stress-free. Ms. Jessa, the floor is yours.
Hi, wait po.
Towards the end again of this presentation, we will have an open Q&A forum. We invite everyone to kindly join also and chat your questions in the chat box if ever, and we will answer them one by one. Thank you. Okay,
Hi,
Ms. Jessa,
everyone.
the floor is with you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hi, everyone. Before I start, as lang ako ng feedback if clear po ba yung tawag nito yung audio ko and then kita nyo po yung screen ko dito sa inyo. Kahit dito na lang po sa may comment box natin. Ayan. So, thank you sa lahat po ng nag-comment and then thank you also to Miss Jane. And before I start, ayan, okay po. Thank you sa lahat ulit ng nag-comment. Ayan, so i-start ko na po yung process natin sa pag-import from China to PH through CargoBus. Ayan, so again, na lahat po ng questions natin is masasagot po later kapag nag-start na po tayo ng Q&A portion. And so, basic steps in importing by Cargo Boss Philippines. Ayan, so ano nga ba yung importing? So, importing is the process of bringing enough goods into a country from abroad for sale. It is a goods coming into our country. So, any items from other countries, papasok ng PH, ang tawag po doon is importing. So, exporting naman po from PH into other countries. Pero as of now, ang service lang po na ina-offer po ni Cargo Boss is importing lang po from China to PH. Okay, next. Ayan, so last 2019, nagkaroon ng survey which is saan nga ba kumukuha yung mga supplier natin dito sa PH ng mga items for sale nila, and then ang pinaka maraming answer is sa China. So bakit nga ba sa China? So ano nga bang benefits kapag ka nag-i-import tayo sa China? Ayan, so number 1, you become the supplier. Number 2, you control the number of stocks that you have. Number 3, you can effectively cut down costs. In return, you can have higher profit margins. Number 4, you can compete with other business that are directly sourcing from suppliers in China. So meaning, kayo po yung direct na talaga na magsusupply from China to your customers. Okay, next. Ayan, so ito naman yung mga samples na madalas na ma-import before sa amin. Ayan, so number 1 is ito pong burlap bags. Ang Alibaba price niya is 71 pesos. And then, ang Shopee price niya is nag-range from 250 pesos. Depende pa siya i-personalize po yung item. Okay? Next sample is air fryer. So, ang price sa Alibaba ng air fryer is 850 pesos. And then, sa Shopee price, nag-range po siya ng 2,500 pesos. So, ito pong binanggit natin na Alibaba price is meron po siyang kalakip na MOQ or yung tinatawag natin na minimum order quantity. So, mas maraming items yung orderin nyo sa supplier or dun sa Alibaba, mas mababa po nilang pwedeng ibigay yung price nung item. Okay, next. Ayan, so where to find a supplier? Ayan, so kami po, si Cargo Boss, mas nire-recommend po namin na maghanap po kayo ng supplier sa alibaba.com. Ayan, so para naman po makahanap po kayo ng supplier sa Alibaba, ayan, visit nyo lang po yung Alibaba app, and then hanapin nyo lang po yung items na gusto nyo pong i-import. Ayan, so ano nga ba yung Alibaba.com? So Alibaba is a Chinese multinational technology corporation that specializes in e-commerce and retail. It is where most big factories in China post their products. Number 3, it is similar to Shopee and Lazada, except that the products that are listed comes from the main supplier or factories. Ayan, so yung mga supplier natin or mga factories natin sa China, sa Alibaba.com po sila nagpo-post ng mga items for sale po nila. Okay, next. How to choose trusted supplier in Alibaba.com. Ayan, so need lang po natin i-check itong mga badge sa company profile po ng supplier. Ayan, so number 1, gold supplier. Number 2, yung verified supplier. And then, yung last is yung trade assurance supplier. Okay? Gold supplier is a premium membership for suppliers on Alibaba.com. So, before po nila ma-earn yung badge na supplier, ini-ensure ni Alibaba na legally registered po yung business ng isang supplier. Okay? Next, verified supplier. A verified supplier is a supplier for whom certain aspect of its company profile, management system, production capabilities, and product and process controls has been assessed, certified, and or inspected by independent third-party institution via online and offline means. Ayan, so sa sobrang daming inspection na ginawa ng Alibaba sa isang verified supplier, we can say po na isa po silang reliable supplier. Okay? Next. Trade Assurance Supplier. Trade Assurance is a prepayment protection service from Alibaba.com. It provides an extra layer of security to buyers when sourcing with overseas suppliers. So, ito po yung protection nyo sa pag-order po ng items dun sa Alibaba. So, again, no, makikita po ito sa company profile ni supplier. Okay, next. How to contact supplier in China. Ayan. So, after that, na mag-visit sa alibaba.com, yan. And then, search nyo lang yung items na gusto nyong i-import. For example is solar panels. Next, click nyo lang po yung bottom na chat now. And then, i-connect po kayo agad sa supplier. Okay? Next, after that, magtatanong po agad sa inyo yung supplier nyo or yung supplier if meron po kayong agent or forwarder sa China, and then dun po papasok si Cargo Boss. Next. After that, send nyo lang po yung address ni Cargo Boss sa supplier, which is ito po yung isa po sa mga China warehouse po natin, which is Guangzhou. Ayan, so meron tayong warehouse sa Shishi, sa Yiwu, sa Guangzhou, and then sa Fujian. Okay? Next. Ayan, so ano nga ba yung mga importanteng bagay na kailangan nating i-asa supplier? Number 1 is total CBM. Number 2, total number of boxes. Number 3, total weight. And then, number 4 is PI with EXW price only. So, with that details, we can give you po yung estimated na shipping fee from China to Philippines. Okay? Next. Ayan, so types of Incoterms. So si Cargo Boss, ang ina-offer po natin is yung X-Works na Incoterms. So from our China warehouse to our PH warehouse, si Cargo Boss na po ang bahala sa lahat. So ang gagawin nyo na lang as customer is ipipick up yung package nyo sa Malabon warehouse once na dumating na po ito. Okay, next. Ayan, so since we offer EXW Incoterms, ito po yung guide po natin. And then, i-show ko po sa inyo yung other slide. Ayan, so number 1 is add nyo lang po yung buyer address nyo, which is yung warehouse po ni Cargo Boss. So for the guide naman po, we can give you po yung guide and then message lang po kayo sa page po namin. Next. Ayan, so sa product detail, choose nyo lang po yung ship to China para dun po sa China warehouse po natin ipapaship ni supplier yung item. Okay? Next. Ayan, so kapag ka nag-place po kayo ng order, ganito po yung makikita nyong details, and then pwede na rin po kayo agad magbayad. Okay? Next. Ito po siya kapag ka mobile yung gamit. Next. Ayan, so buyer order detail page, after nyo magbayad, makikita nyo po yung details ng binayaran nyo. Okay? Next. Ayan, so just in case na mag-ask po sa inyo si supplier for cross-border shipping documents, just message us on our Facebook page po, and then i-guide po namin po kayo sa ilalagay nyo pong details dito sa need ni supplier. Okay? Next. So what is proforma invoice? Yeah, so proforma invoice is a preliminary bill of sale sent to buyers in advance of a shipment or delivery of goods. Next, the invoice will typically describe the purchased item and other important information. Ayan, so ito po yung sample ng proforma invoice natin. Indicated po dyan yung details sa supplier, and then yung amount ng babayaran nyo sa supplier for the item, and then yung shipping fee, China to China. Okay? Next. Ayan, so how to pay your supplier? Ayan, for first timer, we recommend to pay using debit or credit card via Alibaba Trade Assurance. So again, now para safe po yung transaction nyo with supplier. Next, for trusted supplier na po or trusted nyo na supplier, we recommend using telegraphic transfer or wire transfer or yung pabayad service po ni Cargo Boss. Okay? Next. Ayan, so kapag ka nag-send na po sa inyo si supplier ng details na babayaran nyo sa Alibaba, ito po yung makikita nyong sample. Okay? After that, make payment lang, and then ayun, ipoproceed na po kayo sa payment details. Okay? Next. Ayan, so what is freight forwarder? So freight forwarding is the process of bringing in your goods from the manufacturer to the customers or final point of destination. So kung dito sa local, meron po tayong tinatawag na LBC, JNT, Capex, or AP Cargo. Si Cargo Bus po is freight forwarding din po siya, and we offer services from China to PH. Okay? Next. Ayan. So, ito po yung rates natin. For packages less than 0.2 CBM, meron po tayong tinatawag na fixed rate. Meron po tayong tinatawag na fixed rate which is 1,850 pesos for less than 0.2 CBM na package. Okay? So, all-in rates na po siya from China to PH. Next. Para sa package na greater than 0.2 CBM, yung rate natin is 9,250 pesos. So, for example, is 0.5 yung package. So, 0.5 times 9,250 equals 4,625 pesos. All-in rates na po siya from China to PH. Okay? Next. Para naman po sa lahat ng package na greater than 410 kg per CBM or yung tinatawag po natin na overweight, ang rate po natin is 22.5 per kg. So for example, is 600 kg for 1 CBM. Overweight po siya. Ang rate po natin is 22.5 times 600 equals 13,500 pesos. All-in rates na po yun from China to PH. Okay? Next. And so we offer air freight din po and ginagamit po ito especially kapag magta-trial po kayo ng mga items sa supplier. Ayan, so yung rate natin for air freight is 650 per kg. Ayan, so we base po actual weight or volumetric weight, whichever is higher. So for example, is yung actual weight is 2 kg. So 2 kg times 650 equals 1,300 pesos. All in rates sa po siya from China to PH. So ang ETA po ng sea freight natin is 20 to 30 days. So ang air freight naman po natin is 7 to 10 days po yung ETA. Okay? Next. Ayan, so we offer pre-delivery, especially kung 2 CBM and above po yung shipment nyo from China to PH. Ayan, so kapag within 35 km po yung location ng drop-off location from our Malabon warehouse, pre-delivery po. Ayan, so if beyond 35 km naman, pwede pa rin po kayo mag-avail ng free delivery natin but with additional fee. Okay? Next. Ayan, so ito po yung actual sample ng 1 CBM natin. This 1 CBM contains is Hilton pillows, okay? So 1 CBM siya and then ang computation is 1 CBM times 9,250 equals 9,250 pesos all in rates from China to PH. Okay? Next, actual sample naman po ng fixed rate natin. Ang total for these 3 packages is 0.14 CBM. Since less than 0.2 CBM siya, pasok po siya sa fixed rate natin na 1,850 pesos. Okay? Next, actual sample naman po ng greater than 0.2 CBM which is these packages is 4 and then ang total niya is 0.21 CBM. So 0.21 times 9,250 equals 1,942.6 pesos. So again, no, lahat po ng binanggit natin is all in rates na po siya from China to PH as well as sa air shipment po natin. Okay, so for example naman sa air shipment natin is 1 kg. Ang binayaran ni customer is 650 pesos. Okay? Next. Ayan. So, bakit nga ba si Cargo Boss or ano nga bang included sa all-in rates ni Cargo Boss? Ayan. So, included na po doon yung warehousing, consolidation and port fees in China, sea freight from China to the Philippines, custom duties and taxes, port fees in the Philippines, custom brokerage fees, and use of our import license or permits. So, in short term, guys, kahit na wala po kayong import or license, you can import po from China to PH through Cargo Boss Philippines. So, next. Ayan, so meron pong real-time tracking si Cargo Boss. Nagsasend po kami ng text and email updates. Okay? Next, taxes and custom fees included na po siya dun sa rate po natin. Ayan, so very competitive rin po yung rates ni Cargo Boss, and then we can give discount rin po kung 3 CBM and above po yung shipment. Okay? Next. Ayan, so ito po yung sample natin kapag nag-book po kayo sa Cargo Boss. Once ma-receive na po ng China warehouse, makaka-receive po kayo ng update. Till mag-arrive po sa Manila warehouse, makaka-receive pa po kayo ng update. Okay? Next. Ayan, so meron din po tayong application through Google Play Store or Apple Play Store where you can book your shipment or you can track your shipment. Next. Ayan, so after nyo po makipag-negotiate kay supplier, after nyo magbayad, your next move is to book your shipment or on our app or website. Okay? Next. To book your shipment, punta lang po kayo sa may website namin and then click nyo lang po itong book your shipment. And then, pili lang po kayo kung saang warehouse po nearest si supplier. Next. Ayan. So, after nyo po mag-book, ayan, click nyo lang po yung book now. And then, fill up nyo lang po yung details. Then, continue to booking after mo ma-fill up. Okay? Next. Ayan, complete booking. And then, after that, makaka-receive po kayo ng ganitong update. And then, kindly check yung email nyo po and marireceive nyo po yung CBOS code na magsisilbing shipping marks nyo from China to PH. Okay? Next. Ayan. So, meron po tayong warehouse sa Guangzhou, Shishi, Yiwu, and Fujian. Ayan. So, important po na meron CBOS code and packing list yung package nyo before po ito dalhin yung supplier sa China warehouse natin. Okay. So, again, no, yung CBOS code po, ayun po yung magsisilbing shipping mark nyo from China to PH. And every time na meron po kayong new shipment, kailangan nyo pong mag-book ng new code on our app or on our website. Okay? Next. Ayan, so 2 to 3 days after date receive on our China warehouse, pwede po kayo mag-track ng shipment nyo sa app or sa website. So, input nyo lang po yung number dito and then yung email address. Then, find your order and lalabas na po yung details ng shipment nyo. Okay? Next. Ayan. So, kapag Manila warehouse na po yung update sa inyo, pwede po kayo agad mag-pick up as long as open po yung warehouse and paid na po yung items. Okay? Next. Ayan. So, kapag ready to pick up na po yung package, makaka-receive po kayo ng ganong update. And then, after payment, pwede po kayo agad mag-pick up. As long as open po si Cargo Boss and then paid na po yung items. Okay? Next. Ayan, so dito naman po tayo sa tip and tricks. Ayan, so communicate via WeChat or WhatsApp para po mabilis po yung response ni supplier. Okay, so again, no, para sa mga first time na mag-order sa Alibaba, we suggest to use Alibaba Trade Assurance para po sa my payments. Okay, next, stock early and always prepare for possible shipment delays. Number 4, maintain enough cash flow or puhunan to avoid order interruption. Number 5, always ask for warranty, especially for electronics and high-value orders. Okay? Number 6, start with small order quantity before placing large bulk orders to verify quality. Ayan, so itong number 6 is ginagawa usually ng mga sa sample order or kapag gusto pa lang nila i-try yung quality ng items. Okay? Ayan, so you can reach us through the following accounts sa Facebook page. Just search lang po yung cargoboss.ph. Okay, so, meron din po tayong Instagram, meron din po tayong TikTok and YouTube. Okay? Next. Ayan, so again, no, yung nabanggit din kanina ni Miss Jane, meron po tayong voucher or coupon para sa lahat ng first time na mag-order sa Alibaba, which is KK33. Ayan, so search nyo lang po sa search bar yung KK33 and then lalabas na po agad doon yung voucher and then claim nyo lang po siya. So, para po to sa mga minimum na 100 USD orders. Okay, ayan. So, scan nyo lang din po yung mga code para makuha nyo po yung voucher. Ayan, so, ayun na po yung last na slide natin. And then, pwede po kayong mag-ask ng mga questions dun po sa mga nabanggit natin na slides kanina. Ayan, so,
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, Miss Jessa, dun sa presentation natin. For now, we will currently move on to the open forum and Q&A session. While we are doing the Q&A session, we will be flashing po yung voucher and yung QR code for our Viber group. For first-time customers, again, we have a Viber, we have a coupon, which is KK33, and you can have $20 off for your first order. Then if you have other questions po regarding sa Alibaba.com, you could join our Viber group, official Viber group. Thank you. For questions, the Q&A forum is now open. Jessa, kindly proceed na lang to the Q&A portion. Thank you.
okay po, sir. Wait lang, guys. Backread ko lang yung ibang questions nyo.
Yeah, over the chat, I saw two questions concerning about how we discriminate the real manufacturer and the middleman or the trading company, right? So first, like I shared before, I would recommend you to choose with the verified supplier because they are verified by the audit company on their production capability. That's one. The second one, we can try to find the supplier, the factory that you can check on their profile, the year they operate, the rating and review from previous customer, and the safest way for you after you have few conversation with them to discuss about product quality, you can ask them to do a video call so that they can show you their factory in the real life. So maybe suddenly you ask for a call and then they have to turn their camera on, right? And then they have to show you their factory. So I think that's the way that we can distinguish between the trader and the manufacturer. Yeah. But both the trader and the supplier, the manufacturer are legit, I think. But for sure, the price and the quality from the factory always better and more competitive than the trader. Yeah. However, the trader also have their own competitive. They flexible. They have a wide range of the product, and they can connect with different factory, and then the trader normally can handle more low MOQ. That's the advantage of trader actually. And one question like, so if they receive broken or damaged item through the shipment, example glass material, is that covered by trade assurance? So for trade assurance, we only cover the problem when you on the shipment when you use the Alibaba.com logistics. However, if you work with the local partner like CargoBoss, I'm sure that the CargoBot also have the policy to protect you on this. But for example, if you place the order and then you work with CargoBoss, so Alibaba will protect the product related to the supplier. Let's say the defective, the error or the low quality come from the supplier. We will help you. If the damage come from the delivery, so the delivery company like CargoBot will support you. So if you have any add-in, feel free to solve this question.
Yes, for example, if the inquiry po is regarding broken items, what we usually do is we first check if the packaging of the materials are actually okay po. If we we see that the packages were followed, the proper packaging guidelines were followed, then it follows po that we actually do reimbursements naman or we actually do refunds. As long as we can prove po that si supplier naman, they followed the proper packaging guidelines and it was a fault on the freight forwarding side or on our end, we will be more than happy to assist you and offer refund naman if ever that happens. But rest assured, here sa Cargo Boss, we try to make our best to ensure that items are loaded into the containers properly to reduce the instances na mangyari po itong mga damages natin.
And we have Mr. Benjamin. He said that there is a direct assistant teaching and guiding each step for the newbie on Alibaba.com. I am an importer, a senior citizen. So very nice to meet you today, Mr. Benjamin. So in case you want a personal or one-on-one guiding, you can join our Viber group. And on the Viber group, we have the team from Alibaba and from on our logistic partner like Cargo Boss to help you. So feel free to join the group, and then if you have any support or you need any support or question, just raise over the group. So we there to help you after the session. We have one question like what the meaning of EXW and FOB. So can Jessica, can you have to explain on it?
Wait on. Okay, I think the question is freight on board versus EXW, FOB versus EXW. Okay, I will answer this. Yung freight on board kasi, it means that the packages are delivered to the port and loaded onto the vessel. So basically, ang binabayaran po ni customer is galing sa warehouse ni China up until ma-load sa container port, sa container ships. For X-Works naman, ang difference nito is ang babayaran lang ni buyer kay supplier is until ma-deliver yung items doon sa China warehouses po namin. So that's the difference of FOB versus EXW. For importers, we would usually recommend to use EXW Incoterms para ang babayaran lang po ni customer is yung delivery up until our China warehouses. Okay, for the next questions, I think Miss Jessa can handle it po.
Okay po. Wait po, check ko lang po yung other questions na hindi pa po nasagot sa chat box. Ayan, so question from Miss Gina. Ayan, so ano po ang CBM? Sino po ang magsasabi kung ilang CBM ang order? Ayan, so sa other slide natin kanina, meron po tayong tinatawag na important details na need nyo pong i-ask kay supplier. So indicated po doon yung total CBM or yung length times width times height ng package nyo. Ayan, so if meron pong nabigay na length times width times height si supplier, pwede po nating malaman kung ilan po yung total CBM nung package. Okay, so next question is, paano po ang delivery sa Jensan City? Ayan, so this answer is hindi lang siya para sa Jensan City. So para to sa mga outside trade, outside Metro Manila na customers. Ayan, so as of now, ang offer pa lang po ni Cargo Boss is China to Malabon. Ayan, so if taga-other taga-other location, especially mga province, pwede po kayong mag-book sa mga local carrier natin like AP Cargo, Capex, or South Seas Cargo, and then sila po yung magpipick up ng package sa Malabon warehouse, and then sila po yung magdi-deliver sa inyo ng door-to-door. Okay, next. check ko lang po yung other questions. Paano po maka-order ng sample? Mostly po kasi mataas ang MOQ sa Alibaba. Ayan, so para maka-order kayo ng sample, pwede naman po kayong makipag-negotiate kay supplier and then inform nyo po sila na o-order lang po muna kayo ng sample and then bibigyan po kayo nila ng price kung magkano yung price para dun sa sample. Okay, so usually meron po talagang MOQ but you can request naman po yung sample order. Okay, next. Paano kami makakahingi ng pan-samples before kami mag-import like for medical supplies? Ayan, so usually kahit sample siya guys, meron pa rin po siyang payment dun sa supplier. Pero meron naman pong mga other supplier na nag-o-offer po ng free samples. Ayan, so usually naman kapag ka-samples, pag umorder na po kayo sa kanila ng maramihan, binabawas po nila dun yung price ng sample na in-order nyo. Okay? Next. How about quantity of the items? If it's lacking, who will check? Ayan, so, kayo naman po yung makaka-receive ng items, guys. Ayan, so, upon receiving ng packages, pwede nyo pong i-check yung package if meron po bang lacking, ganyan, or meron po bang mga damages. Ayan, so, on our end naman po, mag-check pa rin po kayo may or mag-cross-check and then investigate before we can give the resolution. Okay? Next. Confirm ko lang you accept consolidation of 2 or more multiple samples items from different supplier. Ayan, so we don't do consolidation po guys. Ayan, so every new shipment from different supplier, iba-iba rin po yung babayaran nyo po. Okay? Next. Ayan.
I have one question from Miss Hannah. She asked like why some product card don't have the add to cart button. So on Alibaba, we have two kind of product. One is ready to ship and customization. Ready to ship mean that they have the available stock. So if the supplier they have the available stock, you can see the buy now button. It means that you can add to cart and then check out. But in case it is, you cannot see the buy now button or the add to cart. It means that it's the customization product and then you have to chat with the supplier to finalize on the quantity and the final price. Yeah, that is the answer. Okay, go on, Jessa.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Jane. So check ko lang po yung other questions pa ulit if meron pa tayong hindi nasagot. May service po ba si Cargo Boss na parang all-in, like kayo na mag-order, process, magbayad, and mag-ship China to Philippines? Tapos lahat isang bayad na lang dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, so unfortunately guys, ang offer lang po talaga ni Cargo Boss for now is shipping lang po from China to PH. Ayan, so in case naman, pwede naman po namin kayo i-guide sa pag-import nyo from Alibaba to PH para from China until mag-arrive po sa inyo is mag-guide po namin kayo. Okay? Usually, Ma'am Pri, bigay na samples from China. Yung pag-send out sa Pinas, pwede ba Cargo Boss? How much will be cost of those samples if it's 2 kg sample? And so, we base pa rin po guys sa total CBM and total weight ng package even for samples. And so, if meron na kayong total CBM and then total weight, we can give you a quotation po. Okay? Next. Minsan may free shipping ang Alibaba. Totoo ba pag i-grab ko? Usually, sa supplier end po ito. Usually, minsan po kapag from their warehouse to our China warehouse. Okay, so for electronic items, appliances, do you provide insurance? What about repair or labor? Ayan, so again po, no, for this po, meron pa rin po tayong tinatawag na terms and conditions na as long as tawag na to, as long as masunod ni supplier yung packaging guidelines ni Cargo Boss in case man po na may lacking or meron pong problem doon sa may pinaship nyo is we can provide naman po yung full refund as long as comply po si supplier doon sa may terms and condition po natin. Okay? Ayan, so how about batteries? So for now po, we can't accept batteries. Okay? Next, for Metro Manila pickups, we can book carrier like Lalamove for 1 CBM orders. How do we coordinate carrier pickups with you? Ayan, so usually guys, after nyo po mag-pay dun sa may shipping fee nyo from China to PH, nag-send po kami ng pick-up instruction. Ayan, so sa may pick-up instruction, meron po kayo doon fill up na details ng Lalamove na mabubuk nyo. And then, that's the way po para ma-coordinate nyo po yung booking nyo doon sa Lalamove. Okay? Next, yung samples ay pwede din ba doon sa Alibaba Logistic ipadala? Diretso ba sa home address ko yan? I think for this one, much better if Miss Jane will answer the question of Maril Laguna.
Can you have to repeat the question? Maybe I miss it.
Sure. Yung samples ay pwede ba dun sa Alibaba Logistics ipadala? Diretso ba sa home address ko yun?
Sorry, I can't understand Filipino. Can you translate in English?
Sorry, the question is the customer will order sample order and then they ship it through. Wait, where's the question? Wait, sorry. Ayan. So the question is if they order samples, they can also ship through Alibaba Logistics. And then the question is if it is delivered to their home address.
Oh yeah, if you use Alibaba Logistics, it will be door to door, sent to your home address. I think it's a good strategy. With the small order, when you just want the sample with one or two item, you can go with Alibaba.com Logistics. But when you make the big order, I would recommend you to work with the local partner. Yeah, for Alibaba.com Logistics, it's a door-to-door delivery, can deliver to your home.
Thank you, Miss Jane. Ayan, so in Tagalog version po, yes po, deliver door-to-door na daw po if you use logistic kapag Alibaba Logistic for those sample orders. Okay? Next. Next question. Ayan, so last question. Next and last question. Is there a limit on the size of products? Do you ship large solar panels? Ayan, so wala po tayong limit sa size, especially kapag separate naman po yung ipapaship nyo po na items, okay? Ayan, so any size, pwede po ipaship ni Cargoboss. Okay, so again, no, para sa quotation, just message us on our FB page, which is Cargo Boss Philippines, and then send us lang po yung total CBM and then total weight ng package, and then we will give you a quotation. Okay?
Sige. I will open the floor until 3:25 for Q&A questions. If ever you guys still have questions, please feel free po to chat and we will answer it.
We have one question from
Do
Fabiola.
we
Do we have to pay for tax in Philippines if ordered through Alibaba.com Logistics? So if you order on Alibaba.com Logistics, you don't have to pay for tax unless it is a special item. So the logistics company, for example, UPS and FedEx, they will contact you, get your information to do the tax declaration. So the answer will be no for the normal item, but if it's some special item, the delivery company will contact you to provide the detail and pursue the clearance and custom process. Yeah.
Okay, please let us know if you have other questions po, and we will be more than happy to assist you guys.
Yeah, if any question that you text before but we miss it, so feel free to copy and paste it again in the chat box so we will not miss it.
Yeah, if ever you have further questions after this webinar, please feel free again to scan our Viber group and we will answer all your questions there. And again, please don't forget to first download the Alibaba.com app or visit the website and claim your voucher, which is KK33. Thank you. For our office in Manila po, our warehouse is located in Malabon City. Next questions, pag bulk for car, may tax po ba? For this one, if you would import using our courier, which is Cargo Boss, our rates are already inclusive of customs, taxes, and fees. So what we will quote you po are all in rates naman na. So no need to worry about any additional fees or taxes. In summary, tama ba na order sa Alibaba, ship to CBOSS sa China, then book sa Cargo Boss? Ganyan ang process ng pag-order. Yes, this is correct po. So basically, first step talaga natin is order po kayo sa Alibaba, instruct supplier to ship your items to our China warehouses. Then once you book po from our website, and we would be the ones to take all paperwork para maidala po dito sa Manila yung items nyo. Manila or Cebu. In reference to your questions, Sir John, naka-encounter po kasi ako na may transaction fee. This is possible that you paid po through Alibaba Trade Assurance, and usually there is a transaction fee po talaga na charge si Alibaba.com. But the good thing about paying through Alibaba Trade Assurance is you can have peace of mind na we can ensure that the item and the supplier is actually legit. May direct shipment na po ba kayo China to Cebu? Yes, we already opened our route from China to Cebu, and please feel free to chat us to inquire regarding this one. Kailangan ba mag-book muna sa Cargo Boss ng ship para mabigay ang code sa supplier? Ano yun? Ipapalagay namin sa boxes? Yes, Sir Dante, book from our website and you would receive a code sa email and the instructions also na kailangan ibigay kay supplier. May I ask the exact locations of your warehouses in China? For this one po, kindly contact our chat support so we could give you the English and Chinese addresses of our warehouses. For agricultural machineries, is there any custom tax? For this one, the prices we would quote you are all in, so customs, taxes, and fees are already inclusive. For Sir Christopher, can you give a sample fee or computation for example importing about 40-footer solar panels? So for this one, kindly contact our chat support and you could provide us a packing list so we could check kung how much the shipping fee would be, inclusive of all customs, taxes, and fees. So next for Miss Gina, pagdating po dyan sa items, paano po ipaship sa Gensan? So for this one, you could always, for example, AP Cargo, Capex, etc. Then they would be the ones to pick up from our Malabon warehouse and deliver it straight po to Gensan. For Sir John, ano po dapat sundin, store reviews or product reviews? So for this one, personally, I would recommend to check both. Store reviews would also be a great, it's a great way to check, no, to gauge kung matagal na ba si supplier on Alibaba.com. And for product reviews naman, this is a good way to also check if yung specific product, marami na ba umorder and kung kamusta yung specific product na yun. For Sir John again, ano po dapat gawin? Payment po muna or shipping muna papunta sa warehouse po sa China? So for this one, usually suppliers in Alibaba.com would require a payment first method before they would ship the items to our China warehouses. So the answer to this is you need to pay po muna yung mga suppliers sa Alibaba.com. Sir Nesfel, may I ask bakit po pag sa Alibaba.com nakalagay mas cheap yung price ng item at pag nag-chat na kay suppliers naging more expensive yung price? Talaga to this specific question, it is better to negotiate directly from the supplier. What we recommend is to always say that you would be a repeat buyer, so probably they could at least reduce the price for this one po. Okay, I would receive last three questions for this webinar, and before this webinar ends, again, we would highly recommend po to search Alibaba.com, and you could input this voucher KK33, or you could scan this QR code to claim your voucher, and you could also join our Viber group on by scanning on this QR code. Thank you. On the group chat, you could also see Miss Jane's chat. Kindly please give the feedback for improvement about today's webinar, since we want to make sure that this for future customers. You could click on the Google if there are any suggestions on your end. Thank you. If it is for customization, I countered the supplier to ask for 40% down. Is that normal process? For this one, yes, it is normal process, since suppliers would also want to make sure that the buyer has actually the full intent of buying that specific product. So sometimes they would ask for down payments po talaga. Since medyo matrabaho rin pag, how do you say this? Yung customized na po ang materials natin. Pwedeng makahingi ng copy ng recording nitong webinar. We would upload this webinar on our official YouTube channel, which is Cargo Boss Philippines. So you could, anytime you could review it po. For my first order, pwede ba ako magpaturo sa inyo pag kasi ako sa isang order ko naging per piece ang freight? Yes, for sure. Small items lang, we Sir Ruel, if ever this is our main ano naman po talaga sa Alibaba.com and sa Cargo Boss is to provide Filipino importers with a we show them na madali na lang po mag-import. It is not hindi na siya maraming steps. Mabilis na lang po talaga mag-import through Alibaba.com and Cargo Boss. Thanks, Sir Dante. Would it be possible na nasa China ako saka pa lang ako bibili din saka ko pa ship sa inyo? Yes, this is possible naman, as long as again book from our website and ask your supplier po from Alibaba.com to ship it to our China warehouses. Last question for this one, Sir John. Bakit po ganun sa akin? Yung shipping po ay automatic nakalagay sa Alibaba Logistics. Paano kung gusto ko po ay freight forwarder? This is something yung that we discussed po yung sa EXW. So now, Alibaba.com has an option for you to specifically indicate on the website yung China warehouse addresses using EXW. So pwede nyo ito ilagay. Tapos ang mangyayari is may sarili pong logistics provider sa Alibaba. Sila po magpapadala ng items papunta doon sa China warehouse natin. Okay, last questions. Can you give us yung ETA? So our ETA 30 days. China to Manila or China to Cebu, it's 20 to 30 days po. Okay, I think that is the end po muna for our webinar. Again, before we officially end, we would like to once again extend our sincere gratitude to Miss Jane and the Alibaba.com team for giving us the opportunity to collaborate and share valuable knowledge with our community. We truly appreciate Alibaba.com's continued support in empowering Filipino entrepreneurs and business owners. And of course, thank you to everyone who joined us today. We hope this session can give you clarity, confidence, and practical knowledge to start or grow your importing business with Alibaba.com. If you have further questions, again, please feel free po to scan our QR code on Viber, and we would be more than happy to assist you. Miss Jane, do you have any closing remarks?
Yeah, so actually, I think that's it. I'm very happy to have the sharing session today. And please so that we can make the improvement for the future session. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.